Welcome to Part B of Writing Alphabets from A to Z. Let's write first letter N. So, draw a standing line, then a slanting line from top to bottom, and then again a standing line. This is letter N. Now, draw a round circle. And this is letter O. Now to write letter P, draw a standing line and a half right curve. This is letter P. Now draw a circle and at bottom draw a slanting line. This is letter Q. Now draw a standing line, one half right circle and a slanting line. This is letter R. Now draw a one curve, second curve. This is letter S. To draw a letter T, draw a sleeping line, then a standing line. This is letter T. Now, to draw U, draw a downward curve. This is letter U. To draw letter V, draw a slanting line from top to bottom and then again from bottom to top. This is letter V. Now draw a slanting line again from bottom to top and repeat this again. 2V together forms a W. Now draw a slanting line and then again one slanting line. This is letter X. Now draw a slanting line from top to bottom and then again a bigger slanting line towards left side. This is letter Y. And now the last one. Draw a sleeping line, slanting line and sleeping line. This is letter Z. Do like, share and subscribe to Kindergarten Education.